Free ways to make money online using only AI. The digital revolution has fundamentally transformed how individuals can generate income online. At the forefront of this transformation is artificial intelligence, AI. Once the exclusive domain of tech giants and researchers, AI tools are now accessible to anyone with an internet connection and the drive to succeed. These tools offer unprecedented opportunities to build profitable online ventures without spending money upfront or requiring advanced technical expertise. Here's a detailed guide to free ways to make money online using only AI. 1. AI-powered content creation. Creating content is one of the most accessible ways to earn money online. AI tools can help you generate articles, blog posts, scripts, and marketing copy effortlessly. Tools you can use. ChatGPT, generate high-quality articles, product descriptions, or YouTube scripts. Copy.ai, produce marketing content and add copy quickly. Jasper AI, specialized for sales-oriented content. Ways to earn. Freelance writing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Sell ebooks or guides online via Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. Create blog posts for monetized websites or affiliate marketing. Tip: focus on niches with high demand, such as finance, health, or AI-related tutorials. 2. AI-driven social media management. AI can streamline social media management, making it easier to handle multiple accounts efficiently. Tools to use. Buffer AI Assistant, for scheduling posts and optimizing engagement. Canva, AI-powered templates for quick social media graphics. Copy.ai, generate engaging captions and social content. Ways to earn. Offer social media management services to small businesses or influencers. Use AI to generate weekly content calendars and schedule posts. Specialize in high-demand platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Tip: highlight measurable results like engagement growth or follower increase to attract clients. 3. AI for graphic design and digital art. AI image generators allow you to create logos, illustrations, marketing materials, and even NFTs without advanced design skills. Tools to try. Doll-E, create images from text prompts. Midjourney, produce artistic and realistic visuals. Crayon, free AI generator for rapid image creation. Ways to earn. Sell designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or Printful. Offer custom logo or social media visuals to clients. Produce digital art for NFTs or wallpapers. Tip: combining AI-generated images with your creative touch produces unique, sellable content. 4. AI-powered video creation. Video content dominates online engagement. AI can convert text to videos, add voiceovers, and animate scenes, reducing the time and effort required. Tools to use. Pictory, turn articles into engaging videos automatically. Synthesia, AI avatars for professional explainer videos. Runway ML, video editing and AI-based effects. Ways to earn. Monetize YouTube channels through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Offer video creation services to businesses or influencers. Create short-form content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook ads. Tip: focus on evergreen topics such as tutorials or how-to content for consistent long-term revenue. 5. AI-based marketing and SEO services. AI can help analyze websites, create SEO-friendly content, and optimize marketing strategies. Tools to use. Surfer SEO, optimize content for Google search. WriteSonic, generate SEO articles with proper keyword integration. ChatGPT, produce meta descriptions, add copy, and email campaigns. Ways to earn. Offer SEO content writing services. Provide AI-based digital marketing packages. Help small businesses rank on Google or manage ad campaigns. Tip: businesses are willing to pay for measurable traffic and sales growth. AI tools can help you deliver results efficiently. 6. AI for language translation and tutoring. If you are bilingual or multilingual, AI can assist in providing translation services or language tutoring. Tools to use: DeepL, high-quality translation. ChatGPT, translate and refine texts. LingQ or Duolingo AI, tutoring assistance. Ways to earn: translate websites, articles, or documents for clients. Provide online language tutoring with AI assistance. Offer content localization services for international markets. 7. AI-assisted coding and tech solutions. Even without deep programming skills, AI can help you build websites, apps, and automate tasks. Tools to use: GitHub Copilot, AI coding assistant. Replit AI, help code projects faster. Zapier, automate workflows using AI logic. Ways to earn: build simple websites or apps for small businesses. Automate repetitive tasks and sell productivity solutions. Offer AI-assisted programming services as a freelancer. Tip: combining AI with your problem-solving skills creates value businesses are willing to pay for. Conclusion: AI has democratized opportunities for anyone seeking to make money online for free. From content creation, social media management, and graphic design to video production, marketing, language services, and coding, AI tools enable individuals to monetize their skills efficiently. The key is to pick one niche, master the AI tools available, and consistently deliver high-quality work. With dedication and creativity, it's possible to build a sustainable online income without spending a dime upfront.